Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Saralla, consultant homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Next, let's dive into the causes of dandruff. Irritated or an oily skin. So what is irritation and what is oily skin? Remember that whenever you're using different hair products, for example, you're moving from one place to another continuously or you're traveling, your hair is exposed to different sort of water compositions. It can be hard water, it can be soft water. So that difference also causes or irritates your scalp or the skin. Remember that there is skin layer on the scalp that is also sensitive. It is highly absorbent as much as this skin on your face or anywhere on your body. And also it gets irritated. And not only that, sometimes because of the stress or the lifestyle dysfunction like not sleeping properly, having hormonal imbalance can cause excessive sebum production. Same like that on your face. There can be excess oil production on your scalp leading into oilier skin. Dry skin. When do you have dry skin? If you're using a lot of different kind of hair products which strip the natural oil from your scalp, then that can lead into dry skin. Next, fungus malacia. So what is this malacia? This fungus especially feeds on the oil or the sebum that is produced on your scalp. So this fungus is the main culprit when we are talking about oily kind of dandruff, which is fungus malacia. And then sensitivity to hair products. This can be because of contact dermatitis. For example, there are certain people who are so hypersensitive that even a soap can cause a rash or excessive peeling on their hand. Remember, you're using so many products. You're using styling products, heating products, hair serums, and then you're using hair mousse. A lot of these products. These can irritate your skin and cause contact dermatitis. Then why do we not know? The reason is that, see, this part is what is visible to you, to your eye. This is not visible to your eye. So you have to check or have an scalp examination at least once a week to see how your scalp is. If you don't understand your scalp, then it will be problem in choosing the hair product, or the product that you're choosing might not fit for you. Next, skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. These are eczema and psoriasis. Psoriasis is an autoimmune disorder. So if you have psoriasis, then that can also affect the scalp, leading into scalp psoriasis. Next, coming into the vitamin deficiencies. These days, these cases are more. Zinc, vitamin B, and also very low levels of vitamin D can sometimes trigger or cause excessive epithelial exfoliation. So remember, if you're suffering from dandruff and you don't have all these above causes, you're using good hair products, your hormonal balance is proper, and but still you're suffering from dandruff, that might be that you have very low zinc level, very low vitamin B complex level, or very low vitamin D. Coming into the consultation part of Fidicus. Here at Fidicus, if you're suffering from dandruff, if you have seen a video and you would like to get in touch with us, we have two types of options for you. One is the online option and then is the offline option. So what is online option and what is offline option? If you're staying far away from the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can contact us through two medias. One is audio consultation, the next one is video consultation. And not only that, we provide you with our highest good rated medicines which will come to your doorstep, or we do home deliveries. Like, for example, if you're in India and you would like to get in touch with us, you've had a doctor consultation, the medicines that we provide will reach you within 3 to 4 days. If you're in USA, it will take 3 to 5 business days. If you're anywhere away from USA or from India, it can take up to 4 to 8 business days. If you're staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and visit us offline. You can bring your investigations, show us, have a doctor consultation. You can contact us at Fidicus through this number. You can call us or message or WhatsApp us through this number. If you're suffering from dandruff, you've seen this video, you have homeopathy doctors near you or in your street as well. But why do you want to take a chance? Here at Fidicus, we have highest chance of health. That means we follow 3 principles. What are those? The medicines that we give you are top notch, and also the personal care that we give you here, the personal counseling or the nutritional advices we give you here are top notch, and the success rate is really high. And the treatment is very transparent. That means there is no grayish area between the patient and the doctor. We have black and white area where we'll be telling you the treatment options, how we are going to treat you. So next time, if you want to opt homeopathy, try Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.